It's MC Monty in the place to be. Welcome to the adventures of MC Monty. This month's theme, Power Rangers Ninjetti. In this video series, I'm going to be teaching you how to make your very own Power Rangers Ninjetti cosplay from the 1995 Mighty Morphin Power Rangers movie. This video is part 3 of the series, and in this video, we're going to be making the hood, the mask, and the headband. You can follow along with this tutorial to make the White Ranger or any of the other Rangers. If you enjoy my videos and my tutorials, please remember to like and subscribe. Hit that bell so you get notified anytime I post a new video or tutorial. As usual, everything you need is listed in the description below. Let's gather our supplies and let's get to it. Start by pinning your pattern for your hood to your fabric. On the fold, make sure the edge is lined up with the fold of the fabric and cut out your hood. This is the bottom of the hood. We're going to fold over the hood and sew the side seam together. Pin your fabric and get ready to sew. Remember to back stitch at the beginning and at the end. Fold over the edges of the top and create a hem. I did about a 1/2 inch hem. Repeat for the bottom. When you're done, your hood will look like this. Cut out your headband. This is also cut out on a fold. Line up the gold trim to the edge of your headband and sew it into place. The first pass is going to sew the edge of the trim to the headband. Once you get it into place, sew your trim all the way down. We're going to put the diamond on after this step is finished so that you don't run into the same issue I did in this video where I had to maneuver around the diamond. Cut your trim, flip the trim over so that it's now going over the edge of the other side, and finish sewing all the way down. When you're done, it will look like this. You'll have the trim sewn down to both sides of the headband. Repeat for the other side. And when you're done, your headband will look nice and neat like this with the gold trim. Next, you're going to put your diamond onto your headband. So find the center. I just folded over the fabric and found the center, and then place my diamond in the center of my headband and glued it into place. I'm going to go over how to create the diamonds in the next video. Using a t-shirt, you can make the mask for your Ninjetti costume. Put a mark at 9.5 inches, and up the side of the shirt, put a mark at 14 inches, and cut out the rectangle. Notice how I'm leaving the left side with the fold of the t-shirt. Pin your trim to the top of your mask and sew it into place. I'm using the hemmed side of the t-shirt, the bottom of the t-shirt, as the top of my mask. Sew one side of the trim to the shirt, and then when you get to the end, rotate everything and sew the other side of the trim down. Next, fold the shirt so that the good sides are facing in. Sew the raw edges closed. You can hem the bottom if you like, and when you're done, your mask will look like this. And there you have it. Our Power Rangers Ninjetti cosplay is off to a great start. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and subscribe. Leave me a comment, ask me any questions, and let me know how your progress is going so far. Always remember, adventure awaits. So get out into the world and explore. Peace.